Living a debt-free life might seem like an unattainable dream, especially if you are currently burdened with significant debts. The pain of being in debt can be overwhelming and emotionally draining. It can lead to sleepless nights, constant worry, and feelings of helplessness. In this video, we are sharing 8 creative strategies for debt-free living and help you achieve financial freedom while staying true to your aspirations. Number 1. Track your expenses. Begin by creating a comprehensive budget that outlines all your income sources as well as a fixed and variable expenses. Scrutinize your spending habits, identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenditures, and redirect those funds towards paying off debts. Number 2. Prioritize high-interest debts. List out all your outstanding debts along with their interest rates. Focus on tracking the ones with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on others. By eliminating high-interest debts swiftly, you can save money in the long run. Number 3. The snowball method. This popular strategy involves paying off smaller loans or credit card balances first, while continuously making minimum payments on larger debts. As each small balance gets cleared, roll over that payment into attacking the next smallest debt until everything is paid off. Number 4. Negotiate lower interest rates. Reaching out to creditors and negotiating lower interest rates on existing loans or credit card balances whenever possible. Showing commitment towards repayment and demonstrating improved financial stability may convince them to reduce rates, which accelerates debt clearance. Number 5. Increase income sources. Seek ways to supplement your current income by taking up part-time jobs or freelancing gigs related to the skills you possess outside of regular work hours. For instance, freelance writing or consulting services online can be a lucrative side hustle. Number 6. Emergency fund creation. Establish an emergency fund provides a safety net against unforeseen expenses, such as medical emergencies or unexpected home repairs, without resorting to more borrowing during tough times. Number 7. Lifestyle adjustments. Evaluate whether certain lifestyle choices like eating out frequently or indulging in expensive hobbies justify their costs when working towards becoming debt-free. Consider adopting frugal habits like meal prepping at home rather than dining out regularly, which will free up funds to pay off debts. And number 8. Seek professional help. If you feel overwhelmed or require an expert guidance, consider consulting a financial advisor who specializes in debt management. They can provide personalized strategies and advice tailored to your situation, helping you navigate the path towards becoming debt-free efficiently. Remember, achieving a life free of debt requires discipline and perseverance. By implementing these strategies and remaining committed to your goals, you will gradually break free from the shackles of debt while building a strong foundation for future financial stability and success.